What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to change your Windows 11 display language. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Open up your settings when clicking on this gear icon in your taskbar, or simply open up your Start menu and search for Settings. Here type Language and select Language Settings. In your language and region settings, you have the option to select a language from a list of downloaded language packs. In your Windows Display Language drop-down menu, you can then select one of the downloaded languages. In case the language you wish to use is not available here, then you will have to download it when clicking on Add a language. On the right side, you will see these icons, which will show you what components are supported in the download. In most cases, you can use the display language and handwriting. Text-to-speech and speech recognition is not widely available for every language. Search for your preferred language and click on Next. You can then select which optional language features you wish to download and then click on Install. This will take some time to download and install the new language pack. You can then go back to your Windows Display Language option and change the display language. In your language and region settings, scroll down and select Typing. Here, you can change your typing and text settings for the newly selected language. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.